Hello everyone. So let us start a new topic, that is profit and loss. Now first of all, let us know what is cost price. So the price at which an article is purchased by a dealer or a shopkeeper is called its cost price. Okay, it is abbreviated at CP, that means cost price. I have explained the definition in Hindi as well as in Bangla also. Next is selling price. The price at which an article is sold by a dealer or shopkeeper is called its selling price. It is abbreviated as SP. Next is profit. So if selling price of an article is more than its cost price, that means if selling price is greater than cost price, then we can say that we have made a profit. Okay, then dealer makes a profit. The formula for profit will be then selling price minus cost price. That means whatever the answer will be, that is our profit. What is loss? If selling price of an article is less than its cost price, then the dealer suffers a loss. That means if selling price is less than its cost price, then it is a loss. The formula for loss will be cost price minus selling price. Now, profit or loss percentage. Profit or loss percentage is always calculated on cost price. So the formula for profit percent will be profit by cost price into 100, and formula for loss percentage will be loss by cost price into 100. The formula for selling price will be, if it is a profit, then selling price will be cost price into 100 plus profit percent by 100, and if it is loss, then selling price will be cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100. The formula for cost price will be, if it is profit, then it will be selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit percent, and if it is loss, then selling price will be selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. Now let us do some examples. The first question is, Kriti bought a sari for rupees 2500 and sold it for 2300. So find her loss or loss percent. Now first of all, Kriti bought a sari at rupees 2500, that means it will be our cost price, and sold it for rupees 2300, that means it will be our selling price. Since selling price is smaller than that of cost price, so we have to think that it is a loss. So we have to find a loss and loss percent. So what we will do, we will write cost price of a sari is equal to rupees 2500, and selling price of the sari is rupees 2300. So first we will calculate loss. So the formula for loss is cost price minus selling price. That means 2500 minus 2300 equal to rupees 200. It is loss. Now we have to find loss percent. So the formula for loss percent is loss into 100 by its cost price. So what is loss here? 200 into 100 by what is our cost price? 2500. So what is our loss percent? 8%. Next question. Rajinder bought one Almira for rupees 4800 and another at 3640. He sold the first Almira at the gain of 13 whole 1 by 3% and other at the loss of 15%. So how much did he gain or lose in the whole deal? Okay. So first we will find the selling price of first Almira. Here the cost price of first Almira is given rupees 4800. Okay, and gain percent is given, or you can say profit percent is given 13 whole 1 by 3% or 40 by 3%. So the formula of selling price will be CP into 100 plus gain percent by 100. That means our selling price is 4800 into 100 plus 40 by 3 by 100 or 4800 into 340 by 100 into 3 or it is rupees 5440. It is the selling price of first Almira. Now cost price of second Almira. Second Almira is rupees 3640 and loss percent is given how much? 15%. So selling price will be cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100 or 3640 into 100 minus 15 by 100 or 3640 into 85 by 100 or rupees 3094. It is the selling price of second Almira. Now what you have to find out, how much did he gain or lose? We don't know, is it a profit or is it a loss in whole deal. So first we will find out the cost price of both Almira. That means we have to add 4800 and 3640. Then it will be rupees 8440. and the selling price of both almirah is equal to rupees. We have to add the selling price of first almirah and selling price of second almirah. Then it will be rupees 8534. Now see, selling price is greater than cost price, that means it is a profit. So total profit is we have to subtract 34 minus 8440 equal to rupees 94. Next question is, the cost price of a flower vase is rupees 120. If shopkeeper sells it at loss of 10%, then find the price at which it was sold. So what we will do? First we will write what was the cost price. Cost price is rupees 120 and loss is 10%. Therefore selling price equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100, or 120 minus 120 into 100 minus 10 by 100, or we can write 120 into 90 by 100 is equal to rupees 108. Next question is, by selling a chair for rupees 522, a shopkeeper makes a profit of 16%. So what is its cost price? You have to find cost price here. So first selling price is given, that means rupees 522. Profit is given, profit percent is given 16%. What we have to find out? Cost price. So cost price will be selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit percent. That means 522 into 100 by 100 plus 16, or it will be 52200 by 116. So if we solve it, we will get the answer 450. It will be the cost price. Next is, by selling a table for rupees 3168, Rashi loses 12%. So first we have to find out its cost price. After that, what percent would he gain or lose by selling the table for rupees 3870? So in this question two parts are there. So first we will find out cost price. So selling price of table is rupees 3168, and how much loss we have? 12%. That means loss percent is 12%. 12%. So let us find the cost price first. So CP equal to, since it is loss, so we will write selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percent. That means 3168 into 100 by 100 minus 12, or 3168 into 100 by 88, or it will be rupees 3600. After that, if he sells the same at rupees 3870, so what will the percent would be he gain or lose by selling the table. So since we can see in this case selling price is greater than that of cost price, that means it is a profit. So gain or profit are same. Okay, so gain is equal to 3870 minus 3600, that means rupees 270. So gain percent will be gain into 100 by CP, cost price. That means 270 into 100 by 3600, our cost price. So if you solve it, you will get 15 by 2 or 7.1/2%, or we can write 7.5%. Next question, by selling an article for rupees 4550, Tony incurs a loss of 9%. So what percent would he gain or lose by selling it for rupees 4825? Same way, same method. Selling price of the article is rupees 4550. Here loss is 9%. So the cost price will be selling price into 100 by 100 minus loss percent, or it will be 4550 minus 100 by 100 minus, what is our loss percent? 9. That means we can write it as 4550 minus 100 by 91, and if you solve it, you will get rupees 5000. Now cost price we have got. So if selling price is rupees 4825, now compare cost price and selling price. We can see selling price is smaller than that of cost price, that means it is loss. So loss, how much loss we have? 5000, or you can say cost price minus selling price. So cost price is 5000 minus selling price is 4825, that means rupees 175. Loss percent equal to loss into 100 by cost price, or 175 into 100 by 5000. So if you solve it, you will get the answer 3.5% loss. So thank you, student. Practice for these questions at home. Meet you in next class.